She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hi friend, welcome back to another studio vlog. This is my fourth studio vlog so far, so I hope you guys been enjoying my studio vlog. I've been putting a lot of effort and I've been learning how to edit my video properly. Yeah, and I hope you guys really enjoy my content. On this video is going to be a little bit boring because I'm in the midst of preparing my shop for launch soon, and you are going to see a lot of unpacking, a lot of the upcoming products that I'm going to launch in my shop soon. And I also got a new cutting machine, so I'm going to talk more about that later. And in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this packing video. I do get an occasional orders from Etsy because I still have my Etsy open, and mostly it is international. So yeah, that is one of the good things to open in Etsy, because Etsy will definitely help you to reach more customer. And so I'm still open in Etsy, but the fee is mind-blowing, so I'm thinking to move on from Etsy, but I'm not sure when. But I digress. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to talk to you guys soon. Bye bye. I am so excited to show you guys these washi tabs. I've been waiting for like few weeks, but I only wait around 2 weeks for these washi tabs to arrive, since I pay for it, because the supplier manufacture and deliver the washi tab quite fast, like literally like 2 weeks I already received the washi tabs. It is very fast and I'm very happy with that service. And here you can see that I do the swatches. To be honest, I already did the swatches beforehand and already posted it on my TikTok, and because I really excited to see the design myself. This is actually my first ever washi tabs, and I really wanted to see how the artwork turned out. I am so happy that it turned out okay, but although the coffee time washi tape turned out a little bit darker than the way that I wanted, so I think next time I'm going to choose a better color, but overall I'm very happy with it. Like, I'm so excited for you guys to see this washi tape. And hi friend, good morning. It's not actually morning now, it's around 1 in the evening, in the afternoon, and I've just received a very exciting package today, and I really wanted to show you guys. But before that, I wanted to show you a very cute item that I received in the mail today, which is this paper cutter right here. Aren't that adorable? Oh my gosh, look at these little beans right here. Need to focus that one. Look at that little beans right there. Oh my goodness. This is just so wholesome and adorable at the same time. I really don't know. It looked fluffy and hard at the same time too. So yeah, so this is practically my life now, and I can tell you that my life is finally complete. It's finally complete because I already received the cutest item in the whole world. Just look at this. Just look at this gorgeous, adorable little things, and it is a paper cutter, you know? Like, it's a cute and useful item at the same time, and you actually can put some, I don't know, like keychain or something and hook it to your bag or something, and it can serve as a defense tools for yourself, especially for women out there. You need to have some sort of defense tools to protect yourself with the current situation now. So yeah, it's a cute way to step people. Okay, I'm not the one to say that, so please don't take my word 100%. But yeah, it's a cute way to brighten up your day, isn't it? It's just so cute. Oh my god, I love drawing clouds in my illustration, and this one is just perfect. Although I really love to draw clouds in like almost like turquoise or teal color, but I guess pink is perfect too, because just look at this. This is like soft pink. It literally look fluffy. I don't know how to explain. It look fluffy and hard at the same time. It's just too cute. Just too cute not to buy. You know, I just spent my money on this, and it's 100%, 100, even 200% worth it. Just look at this. Just look at the bean. Oh my gosh. And I just spent a few minutes just talking about these cute things. Oh my god, you should get it. So it definitely brighten up your day. Definitely. I'm sure of it. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of it. Let us unbox. So this is the the package. So this is the package, and actually this is one of my notepad design that I have recently designed, and I was already sent it out to professionally made and printed, so I might be able to receive that around next week. But this is just my test print, and because I just want to see whether it is good in S6 size, because I really wanted to have a square memo pad, but they don't have that option yet, so I just opt for the S6 size. I hope it is okay. I hope. But yeah, we are going to unbox this now. Oh my gosh, I am so nervous because I hope that the quality came out just the way that I envision it, and not the way like last time. Yep, I really need to do that because this somehow managed to suit or make me calm. You just need to pop things. Sometimes you just need to pop things, and this is the perfect things to pop. Let us proceed. Oh my gosh, it's just like this amount with this big of a box. Talking about a waste of space. So here it is. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, but it looks like it's alright, I guess. I'm going to put you nearer to the table so that I can explain more. You are currently on my eye level, so you see things the way that I see, so it's easier that way. So we are going to open this one. Oh my god. Hold on, I need to take a moment. Oh my god. Take a moment to appreciate the texture of this. Thank you god. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot that I ordered a, hold on, I need to find the name of that thing. So hi guys, I'm back, and I just go through my order for this one, and I actually choose the 300-gram Bayonne paper, if I pronounce that correctly, and it is actually a recycled paper, so it is good for the environment, I must say. But the color turned out a bit lighter than I wanted. This one is a bit more warmer. The original one, the one that I did, the sample that I did, and this came out a little bit colder. The color tone came out a little bit colder, but I must say that I am obsessed with the texture. Look at the texture. Oh my god, this is priceless. Oh my god, look at that gorgeous texture. It looks like it is literally look like a watercolor paper. Yeah, and it feel like it is not that smooth. It have kind of like texture feeling to it, but it felt like more to a velvety kind of like touch, and I'm loving it, even though the color doesn't turn out the way I wanted. But if you see like close up, it is the quality print, the quality is like very good. It is very good. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I just took a chance. I wanted to choose the normal one, which is like this one. This one is the, I'm not sure that this one is the 210 gram normal glossy paper or 300 something gram, but this one definitely feel more glossy than this one. This one have a more matte kind of touch to it, and it have very amazing texture to it. I don't even sure that this camera capture the texture correctly or even manage to capture the texture at all, but if you see this in person, you definitely can see the texture and you definitely can feel the texture, and it's a very good, you can actually turn this into an art print. So it's a 2-in-1 thank you card. Inspired by a lot of artists because they always give thank you card which have illustration in front and a message at the back. So I am going to write the customer name right here so that it become more personal, I would say, maybe. And yeah, so I think it is worth it. You can see the texture right there, but the camera doesn't do it justice though. You need to see the thank you card in person to be able to see the texture. And I'm really glad I opt for the 300 gram Bayonne paper. I'm glad that I choose the recycled paper because it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. If you reach at the end of this video, you might have seen that this video have a lot of unboxing and unpacking footage, and I'm very sorry about that because I'm in the midst of like launching my shop. I didn't do much, it's just that I've been waiting for my packages to arrive. So here is one of the packages I really waiting for like quite some time. It is the no issue stamp, and I decided to design 2 stamps for my packaging, and I am really excited to show you guys how it turned out because it features Choms and Booba the cat. And yeah, I really love how it turned out with when I like stamp on the paper. Okay, and it is quite easy to assemble. And what I really love about them is that they have a soy based ink, and I think that is quite cool. And yeah, I hope you guys buy this. I think if you want to, if not, it's fine, I guess. So I'm just going to take out my simple notebook here, and I'm just going to stamp. First design is the Bupa the cat, which is actually the happy mail and please do not ban. And here is the charm, and like underneath is my Instagram page name and my Facebook and everything, my social media handle and my website. And yeah, I am very happy how it turned out. It's so adorable. I think I'm going to end my video here, and I hope you guys don't mind me talking a lot in this video. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.